Ako naman, kasama ko si Mark sa That Kind of Love. Kailan yung show niya? Hindi ko pwede sabihin. Malapit na. Tsaka yung Pulang Araw on GMA this coming July.
Opo, kami po ay, actually, ito pong lahat na nandito sa stage ngayon. Meron po, we are cooking something for all of you together with Maggie. So it's very exciting. It's a lot of collaborations. Tama po ba, Sir Miggy? So sobrang looking forward po ako doon. This is a very exciting project with Maggie. And yun, tama po si David kasi magkasama po kami sa ating upcoming movie. Malapit na po ipalabas, That Kind of Love, in theaters. And Pulang Araw, malapit na rin po sa GMA Primetime. And I am very honored po that I have a couple more movies in the works po. Ayan, thank you so much po.
Ayun. Ako po, parang nablanko ako.
Kaya mo yan, girl.
Pili ko kinukuha na ako ni Lord, daming usok. Julia's Kitchen is back. So, I am now on season 2. Thank you sa mga nag-approach kanina who appreciated the gimmick reunion that happened in Julia's Kitchen. Nakatapos ako na I have a series with Eric Mati called Call My Manager. Ito yung Philippine adaptation ng Call My Agent. And then I'm doing Batman 3 with Arjo. Medyo patapos naman na sila. And hopefully, for MMFF, I'd be having an entry, hopefully with Chikaron, yung horror movie. So, ngayon, after 5 years, ngayon na uli ako gagawa ng pelikula, but after almost 2 decades, ngayon lang ako uli gagawa ng horror. So, medyo exciting. And a lot of projects and collaborations with my Maggie family, of course.
Very exciting lineup, no? Sa mga